for giving us Papa Papalaban. Thank you for the collaboration. More music like this will come definitely. Wow!
So, it's been a journey. Thank you for accepting Palaban, because like I said, it was the gateway to the next section of you and our new sound and our new image. And so we really dedicate that song for everyone, because it's not just a powerful message, but it's a celebration of everyone who fought to be here today. Thank you for trying your best every day. Thank you for being here in Gateway Hall 2. A song for the this day.
Okay. Now, syempre yung feeling na song. Yung di ba ako yung Pero marinig ko sa concert. Kasi sumunod na ako talaga ito. Kasi sumunod ang member natin, syempre. Kasi isa na kaya Julia. Gantuhan mo kami. Kasi Julia mo rin sa kaya.
So, una sa lahat, laging tinatanong sa akin kung personal experience ko na po yung tama. So, tingin niyo ba, personal experience ko ba? Isa siyang experience kung saan may mga bagay kasi na hindi tayo sigurado. May mga bagay sa love life, sa school, or kahit ano, na hindi natin sigurado kung ikaw ba pero kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo, hindi tayo sa'yo, yung song mo ngayon, yung bagay na yun, I think that is a way to close that chapter in life. I mean, I'm saying that it's not bad to close doors. Kasi once na mag-close tayo ng doors, once na may mag-close sa doors sa atin, alam natin may panibagong pintuan na magbubukas na sa atin. Doon ko rin nagtiwala. Lalo na kasama namin sa quality ko. And ayun, this song, it's going with the flow. And I'm going to play right to destination. This song is called Kaya.
Basta
Jocks? Sabi na nila.
Subscribe to Happy Reach, like, share, subscribe.
Grabe. Patungo na tayo sa paglunan ng program. Pero, okay pa ba kayo muna? Diba sa dissection of this party, meron akong nagawang promise. Naaari ko ba sa amin ko Ay, oo. Bakit mo na nasulat sa isa sa mga tracks namin kasi improvement. Actually, before siya si First may hindi. Diba? Pero sa Until When, ito talaga yung matubong puso na minsan napapatanong na lang tayo, kaya pa ba natin tumuloy? Kaya pa ba natin sa araw-araw? And it's a song written because I was so hurt of a lost friendship. Pero ganun talaga, that's part of life. And you learn to mature and accept. Pero then, hindi kailangan kong damdamin yung mga ganung moments. Kasi doon tayo lumalakas, doon tayo natututo, doon tayo nagiging super saiyan. Wow!
Super sweet. Bakit tinwin?
Bakit hindi ko jacket? Nalagay pa kayo.
Pag super saiyan nga.
Parang kasi, pag magsusuper saiyan tayo,
Yun!
kasi, kaya yung naka-skirt na
This next song, isa ito sa mga pinakamahirap namin na-record na song.
Isa po sa umiyak ako. Hindi ako naiyak sa Until When. Hindi ako naiyak sa First. Naiyak ako mag-record sa Super Saiyan.
So funny.
Yeah, and can I just say na sobrang grateful ako kay Kuya Chris Box for giving me this as a challenge. Now it's part of the album. And syempre, for connecting me to Kuya Numero, isa sa mga tinitingala ko sa hip-hop scene. Maraming salamat. And syempre, kay Kuya Ides, na tumulong sa akin sa mentorship. Sobrang salamat.
We have a program tonight, this afternoon, Shadow, was anyone?
Grabe, kinakabahan ako. Kasi kinakabahan talaga ako.
Bago namin na-start yung next song namin, maaari ba namin kayong parinig na sumabay?
Ready? I'm gonna say target, target, lock, lock. Ready? Target, lock.
And
Wala.
Pew pew! Pew pew!
Right, ano, hit it. Doon kayo ulit. Hit it. Hit it.
Hit it! Hit it!
Can I ask everyone, please stand up for this next song? I want everyone to get hot! Come on! Are you ready to go, everyone?
Ibababa ko na nga.
Music up, everyone. Are you ready? This is Super Saiyan. Let's go. Guys, hindi mabubuo itong Super Saiyan kung wala syempre si Kuya Numerous at Kuya First Box na nandito sa ating kasama natin ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Sa inyo, maraming salamat. Syempre, grabe nakakapagod ako.
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa aming Vita Management. Sila nagtuwa sila sa amin. Binuo nila kami as a group. And talagang hindi nila kami pinakawalan kahit na anong nangyari sa amin. Thank you so much. Partners ko, sa inyong maraming salamat po sa inyo.
To 1032 Lab, over there. Thank you for bringing our vision to life. Thank you for stitching our stories together endlessly. For the music video for the world holding for accepting our artistry and making it more beautiful and every care that you put into the details of every work. So thank you so much for you to now. And of course, to all the P-pop groups that are dito. This is not a competition, but a revolution. More releases from all P-pop groups supporting each other. We love you guys.
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa grupo ng Vision, sa Alta, Yes My Love, Alista, Alaman, Sixteen, Wing, at sa lahat ng P-pop group na nandito at lahat ng P-pop fans na nandito ngayon.
Of course, Turbulence, thank you for staying with us. Okay. For showing up, for being loud, for being patient, and for loving us the way you do. This milestone is not just ours, it's ours together. Sa atin to, tayo to. Maraming salamat po, Tess. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. This is a reception week, and this is only the beginning. Para sa inyo.
Meron pa tayo ng thank you guys.
Parang hindi nila alam na may isang
Dapat hindi nila alam naman sa center sinabi na nila.
To the team, G22 core team, from everyone from the lab, to the BTS, to our directors, to our bosses,
Of course, ang Christina ang gabi.
and thank you for protecting us, putting this vision, holding us down when things get tough. Special thank you to our family and friends.
Sa mga president, for CS bosses, sa mga influencers and artists na kasama namin dito today.
Salamat po.
That's it for today, guys. Maraming salamat. Sing us music din po. Salamat. Bakit ka naiiyak? Ay, bakit hindi ako? Isa na tayo.
Ay, wait, isa pa?
Ay, isa pa? Ang dahil dito na tayo. Parang gusto mo yung music na.
Hindi ka yung kachinta eh.
Last song.
Hindi ka yung kachinta nila.
Always dedicate this song to all of our fans, to all our supporters. Thank you, Diana, for trusting us for this song.
Maraming salamat. This is Ako yun.
Musika. Musika.